need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Some dice.
It ain't nowhere, but I visited worse. Relay deployed. It ain't cheap.
Look who just showed up.
Oh, hella players on Phoenix? No, nah, it's hella's bando. Just play Phoenix. See how it goes.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Slice and dice. You're lucky I was here. Slice and dice.
Double KO.
This is a weird blade match. I won't lie, but fuck it.
Yours.
I'm sure might get scary. He's already switched to Black Widow. That guy's trolling already. He tried to pull me. Goddamn.
I'll patch you up.
As good as new.
A foe has revealed themselves.
Oh, the adversary.
The hunter's on. Slice and dice. 1,000 gods! I can get used to this.
Double KO.
1,000 gods!
Took a healer and a Captain America.
I've always
I'd say I did a pretty good job there, no?
taste cold steel.
Now behold my
Blade is the new Psylocke. Not really.
Captured more than half of the
I mean-
mission area. Keep going.
You say that because of the old game, but there's also characters that also have the same old game. The play styles are completely different. Can't play off angles and just play safe for us. That's awkward, he missed.
By the eye of Agamotto.
I'm a Lord Blade. You think that's gonna work on me?
3. Gary's almost yours.
You think that's gonna work on me?
Plasma.
Whoa, that was too close. Hell yeah. Taste cold steel.
Psionic
What was that strange ult? I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro.
No one's coming back from the grave on my watch.
Strange not having fun this season. You shouldn't be playing Strange this season. It's really
30
bad.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I am Groot.
No, I don't know what the time stream entanglement is.
I am Groot.
Yeah, as soon as the Brain Trust builds the other gizmo, we'll all get to go back home.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to.
The battle
Oh.
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area.
With the
Got
Phoenix
it?
Force was impressive.
A cosmic warrior struck down to
I need to go look at the full trailer for that. Yo, can someone look up the Cinderella? The Cinderella. Wait, no, not the Cinderella. Well, that's a carrier, but Silver Palace trailer, and put it in the reaction channel. Apparently, I dropped a new trailer. Don't find it.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Foolishness.
Foolishness.
The mission area is
Tell us,
yours.
Blade.
Double KO.
That's right. Everything is mine.
He sat around the corner with a shotgun like this was Call of Duty. Like I was gonna get bored and walk into him or something. That guy's hilarious. Wow, you killed a mag with Blade? Blade kills mag. Blade wins up. Blade doesn't win against Thor. If Thor is in lightning form. If Thor is in lightning form, you need to run. This guy want me bad, dude.
Captured more than half of the mission area.
Fantastic!
I should make a Blade matchup chart. You can ask me who Blade wins against. I think I know every character he wins against now. It's also kind of tricky though because it also depends if he's at 10.
Slice and dice.
Also depends if he's at 10. Like the matchup depends on if he starts at 1 or if he starts at 10. 'Cause if he's at 10, he wins like against like almost everybody in the game.
Back in the game.
He bubbled that time? Yeah, if he didn't bubble, he would have been dead. But, I mean, he was forced to retreat. He was forced to retreat because he would lose.
There we go.
Kidnapping with Thor is fun? Oh, nah. Y'all are criminals. You pro players are criminals.
Go for it, Rocket. Do it, Rocket.
Judge, jury,
Kill him.
executioner.
No one else told me to kill himself. I just died.
The hunt is on.
I'll patch you up.
As good as new.
It's gonna feel weird not streaming. I'm actually gonna break my stream streak after this. It's kind of sad. I've been live every day since like October. October 10. I'm about to break my stream streak. It makes me kind of sad. I don't want to break it. I mean, if I really, really didn't want to break it, I could just go bring my laptop and go live. But I mean, I'm gonna bring it, but like, I'm just gonna break it. I have to go to Cali for stuff that I can't talk about yet. Break? Oh, it's not a break. I'm going for work. It's not a break. No, I'm going for work.
Slice and dice.
This guy's taking no damage. I don't want to waste my ult.
Enjoy the amplifier.
1,000 gods.
Another 20? I can't tell you. Moving? No, I'm not moving yet.
Another epic victory! Big win!
Oh, you put it in the reaction? Oh, thank you. Is it the new one? Oh, it is the new one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Void LT for free, Elo. Vote. Oh, this guy? I want free Elo. I want free Elo.